see?
What's going on, YouTube? We back here with another video, another car vlog. You see, we got the toys out, bro. The toys out. Hold on, we doing rollers right now. We about to go to a car meet. You see? Yeah.
So it's nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna get a vid too. What you gonna do?
Whoa.
You gonna go down the block, come up?
Bag M4, nigga.
You gonna go down the block, come up?
I don't know what this nigga. Bagged M4, y'all. Woo! Woo! Oh my lord! I niggas don't know about this shit, bro. We gotta go to the car meet right now. We just got rollers. Y'all see how we coming? My shit down the block. Yeah. Look at my bitch, bro. Right now, we heading over there right now to the meet, bro. I'm about to put on a GoPro, probably film another video or something, or whatever. But yeah, we on our way there right now. You see this stupid ass nigga swerving in and out of potholes, bro. That bag M4. Y'all know about that bag M4 and that carbon hood, y'all. We here at the car meet, y'all. What's going on? Got that M2 right here. We gonna take a picture? See, paint match. M3, M2, M3. Y'all see what's going on? The Audi. Oh my, lazy. Man, this shit tough. Talking about, he got the little ass spoiler on the back. Yo, what's your house? He got the little ass spoiler on the back. Yo, nah, I'm crying, bro. Nah, I think it is. Bro, it has no, it's a PPF, bro. I'm telling you, bro, it's a PPF. The stealth PPF. That's why it look, or satin, I don't know. This fucking M3 right here, y'all. G80.
Son in this car?
I gotta go to control.
Let's go. They got all the toys out. Remember this M2 from the one deep Long Island, bro. I seen this shit. My camera look ass. Nigga skirting off the block.
Yo.
Two M3s. Oh, 3 M3s. Hold on. Nah, it's purple shit. It's tough. Oh my god. That shit is beautiful, bro. What the fuck? Nah, look at the details on this shit. That shit is crazy. Oh, nah. Fuck, I don't got the flash on, though. Oh my god, bro. This shit is fucking beautiful, bro. I think yo. This shit tough. And this another M3. M3 ski. The vet, you already know. American Muscle. Big only one KY. If you know, you know. Them M5 with the front mounts. Oh look, you got that shit. You got the front, the front, yeah. Shit tough.
Who got the E90?
Nah, none of us.
No?
Like E90?
Like, you know, like 2 BMWs, I would get an E90.
So we trying to get that? You don't even know.
Stick with my shit for a little bit. But I'll say if I get
Damn, bro. Wait, that's not the nigga that you know with the hardboard. That's not hardboard shit right now, right? Knock out one punch. Oh, he got the fenders too on this shit. I love black. And front mount. I love black. That's it. That's not the end. Another M4. That soon be pulled. Another M4. M4s. It's like the coupe side of that shit, nigga. Straight coupes. M5. M6. Nah, this shit look with the light. It's remind me of Kyle E36. Kyle had it. Yeah, bro. He was not coming. He was not coming. He was not coming, bro. Oh, look. Then you see us. M3.
So you should get that shit for your plate.
Get what?
Get the plate cover like his shit.
I already ordered one. I should get that.
We can press the button?
Yeah, I got that. I already got that.
Well, that one. Which one you got? Like the plate cover, like where it goes down,
Where,
the shade?
yeah.
No.
That's bad.
Wait, you got the shade one? Like where you can put on the shade?
A curtain.
No.
Why that's bad?
Yes.
Why?
Because they know those now. You got to get one of these.
So what
They're
should I do?
going to pull you up because they can see the wire.
So I should return it?
Turn it and get one of those, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I should?
Huh? Yeah, you need that one of those. Because it looks more realistic.
So where should I get it from?
I'm going to send you the link. It's like $200. You turn down because they already know that's why they make those now. Because they know the curtain. That, they can't really tell. Like,
I ain't gonna lie, you can tell.
Well, which one?
The regular shit.
The curtain? Yeah, because it's like a box. So they already know. They're going to pull you up there. That's why nobody be using it.
God damn. Damn, yo. That was about a Mac? Did I get that on cam? Hopefully I got that on cam. But niggas are just spinning the parking lot. Stop.
I think he looks for us. He does look.
Wait. How you know? Hold on. Oh my god, lighting is bad, y'all. That shit sound crazy, yo. What the fuck? That shit. Oh my god, this shit is fucking crazy, yo. This shit is crazy, yo. Yo, nah. Nigga. Oh, the camera's getting mad. The camera's getting mad. These niggas are wildin', yo. Yo, Rashad, we can't leave pussy, bro. Oh my God, they about to call the cops. They about to call the cops on us, bro. Let's go.
I need that test, man.
Go first.
You go.
So fucking pussy. Alright, fuck it. Yo, bro, this car means she do everything I say, all the baby go. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see. Yo, this nigga's wildin', bro. Yo, these niggas is wildin', bro. What the fuck? Yo, I don't know if y'all can see on the cam, bro. Hopefully the audio's on, yo, cause I really don't know, bro. Cause the audio cut out, bro. Nah, these niggas is wildin', bro. Are they about to race? Oh, they racing. Or not. Well, another POV, y'all. Leaving the car meet. Showing me shit like that. Y'all hear all the... Oh, nah, he's doing burnouts. Niggas is acting bad, bro. Niggas is acting real bad. I'm trying to see. Hopefully there's audio, bro. Hold on, let me check if there's audio.